2013 Honda Pilot EXL 8-passenger SUV with rear DVD entertainment system. Midnight black paint, auto headlights with fog lights, aluminum alloy wheels with good tires, side step running boards, solar tinted windows, 4-wheel drive, rear bumper protector, dual chrome tip exhaust, folding third row, power tailgate. Nice light gray leather interior, all weather floor mats. Interior's in great shape. DVD controls, hook up headphones, keep the kids quiet with their own climate controls. Power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments. Triple zone automatic climate controls, heated front seats, obviously DVD player, CD player, free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio, backup camera, hands-free Bluetooth, steering wheel controls, just over 200,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Y'all come see us at E-Cars.